Okay, excuse the mess. So what I've got here is an LED that feeds through this outer gear and the spring that fits over it, and it stops just at the lip so the spring doesn't short circuit the LED. And I 3D printed, after designing through a very long and arduous process, this thing right here. And as you can see, this part of the device is hollow and goes all the way to this crystal shaped thing. So that fits over the spring, and the spring will supply pressure. Fuck. It needs an enclosure to make this a bit more easy to demonstrate. Okay. So the spring applies pressure that, because of the way I've engineered it, you press down, that part around it rotates, and then rotates again. So that's going to be labeled 0 through 4 for the amount of first level spell slots that you have. And I'm going to kind of have 5 of these arranged in a circle. This is the 3D model in my program. This is actually a very crude model that I had to make after I accidentally deleted the other one. It just is really for demonstrating how everything will fit inside the device. But if you can imagine, like, there's going to be a printed acrylic that goes on top. It'll screw on top with like all of these underneath it, and that'll keep track of your spell slots with like pressing on the crystals. But also in 5th edition, there's concentration, so you can't actually have more than one concentration spell active at a time. And if you're concentrating, like, you can keep the spell going, but it's essentially like a binary yes or no, am I concentrating kind of thing. So the middle will be a toggle button, and like this switch will be in there with something over it that rotates along these 10 ridges, which will keep track of how many rounds you've been concentrating. But once you press in the concentration toggle, then all the crystals will light up because the LED is underneath it, and since this is hollow, the light will reach into the crystal. And yeah.